Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick tutorial, we are going to learn how to turn on firewall on Mac. Let's start the video. First, what you have to do, you can see here top left side Apple icon, click on this Apple icon. Under Apple icon, click on System Preferences. You can see here System Preferences is open. Now in this second line, you can see here Security and Privacy. Click on Security and Privacy. Now you can see 4 tabs here: General, File Vault, Firewall and Privacy. Just click on Firewall. You can see here my firewall is off. This computer firewall is currently turned off. All incoming connection to this computer are allowed. Now what you have to do to turn on this firewall? Bottom left side you can see here lock option. Now click on this lock. Now enter your Mac password here. Then click on unlock. As you can see, this lock is open. Now I can make changes in this firewall section. I can turn on it. Just click on turn on firewall. As you can see, my firewall is on. The firewall is turned on and set up to prevent unauthorized applications, programs and services from accepting incoming connections. If you click on firewall options, you can see here options about firewall, block incoming connection. If you tick this, what will happen? It will block all incoming connections. Block all incoming connections except those required for basic internet services such as DHCP. Now here it is ticked automatically allow built-in software to receive incoming connections. And secondly, it is also ticked automatically allow downloaded signed software to receive incoming connections. Allow software signed by a valid certificate authority to provide services accessed from the network. Now last, it is not ticked enable stealth mode. What it will do? Don't respond or acknowledge attempts to access this computer from the network by test applications using ICMP such as ping. Okay, so these are the options of firewall. If you want to tick any of this option according to your preferences, you can do it by just clicking on this checklist box like this. It is turn on. What it is saying? It is saying the firewall blocks all sharing services such as file sharing, screen sharing and media sharing. Okay, if you want to allow sharing services, just select the block all incoming connections checkbox. Now I will untick this. Now I will click on OK. This is the pretty simple step to turn on your firewall on Mac. Okay, so I hope you find this video very useful. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Thank you for watching.